Hey, Melon and Jeeper here. So what we got is a 2000 XJ. Super duper clean truck. The main thing that's wrong with this guy here is that it has that piston slap. What I think or remember the guy telling me is the number 3 piston. So we're gonna pull this head over here and see what we got. All right, we pushed the piston up through the bottom, through the oil pan. And there is our culprit. It doesn't feel tore up at all. But we'll get this thing cleaned up, get this thing put on, and get it back on the road. I always hate doing these, but it's so rewarding when it's finished. All right, let's get started.